now I can read the no parking sign. Where are you? Oh, I don't know if they want you parking in their parking lot.
Over there?
Oh yeah, over there, yeah. Wherever there's white lines.
You got that utility place. Little workers there.
Picnic table.
Nice little picnic table here.
Yeah. I think it's like that all along here, so like I say, on the way home we can, you know, no problem. Good on the right.
Go on the left. See, there's one out right there.
Oh yeah.
Then that's a utility place. Oh, I don't know. Parking pretty tight. Kind of space. That's all. You know. It's hunting.
Bump.
Well,
It would have been nice if they used bright orange or red. Hook her up. What?
Our siren goes off in the town when you park.
Oh.
And now,
Yeah, that's when they bomb you.
yeah.
Everybody thinks it's a test.
Then you do the testing. You don't test it, and the day comes, you can use it. Nothing happened.
I think I can call Holly back from here. Yeah, I don't have any pedal assist. I have wrist assist. Hey! Can't you hear me, boy? What we have here is a failure to communicate. You better get your mind right. So, anyways,
Yeah, you don't have
I don't have pedal assist. I have wrist assist. Are you there, Holly? Oh, it turned off the speakerphone again? What the heck is... No, the speakerphone's on. Why can't I hardly hear you? Oh. Oh, now I can hear you. The volume was turned all the way down.
Oh.
For some reason. Yeah. So we're on pavement now. We're in Capron. Actually on our way out of Capron, so they paved their stretch of trail. I don't know how long that's going to last, but we'll work. Oh yeah, I see two tracks ahead, so everything is fine. I'll call you sometime later. Everything okay there?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Okay, well look, I'm hitting the gravel again. Love you, bye!
Love you, bye.
Yeah, this isn't bad. This is the screening, yeah.
Back there when we started on those gravel, it's like 1.8 mile.
Of that gravel.
Okay, yeah.
I think pretty much until we come into Roscoe, it's all like this. And this ain't bad at all. Why would anybody complain about this?
Back there, I guess.
Oh, it's a rail trail. There's nothing to see. Oh, you want to ride, man. Well, you can ride, you know? Yeah, that's true. There's freight. Well, one thing, though, you don't have steep hills.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Rail trail trains don't like hills.
Gentle hills, okay.
Well, that's all you get on a rail trail.
pretty flat.
Yeah, but there's hills.
You know, go to Wisconsin.
Oh yeah, there is more so. Even on the highways, but the rail trails are still flat somewhat. The other thing I don't like about this bike, other than all the things I do like about it, no, I can't put a thumb throttle or one of these on that side. Hey, the sign, you gotta watch out for farms. Don't worry about tractors. Just worry about farms.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of the way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love
Here's another one of them things. The sign to stop the video. No, I can't stop, man. I'm riding. I gotta keep riding. I'd like to stop and take video of those signs or pictures, but no. What? Yeah, there's another one up ahead of you somewhere. I think there's two more. Watch a farm go by? Oh, is it alfalfa? I know the corn's coming up quite crazy. Oh yeah. Alfalfa sprouts ferment.
dandelion too, you know, for salad.
Oh yeah? Well, or cook them. Nettles, stinging nettles. Yeah, you cook them first.
Yeah, Europeans know how to do that stuff, but nowadays people buy packaged goods and, oh, what are these dandelions? You know. I used to smoky food with chemicals.
Oh yeah, I love it. We're gonna have total nitrate lunch, but that's okay. The alcohol will wash it right out. Hey, Steak and Shake is really going healthy, man. Oh yeah, no, I mean it. No, I'm not being sarcastic. Steak and Shake is using tallow for their French fries and real butter on the grill. And oh yeah.
I could go there for Philly steak for lunch when I go.
And what was the other thing? Well, they use real ice cream. Oh yeah, real sugar Coke in glass bottles. They do taste different. I actually like a Coke in a glass bottle. I don't like Coke in a can or fructose corn syrup. I almost lost the shoe on that one. Here's another one. I want to know why they put the bench in the sun, huh?
Maybe it's watching traffic. Watch out for farms. Are you gonna blow the grass out? Well, why not? Oh, that was whatever. They need a lawnmower that has a chute on both ends. Yeah.